Hello students, how are you? Today we will learn the properties of air. The different properties of air are: first, we cannot see the air, yet we can feel it. Second, air occupies space. Third, air has mass and weight. Fourth, air exerts pressure. Fifth, air is affected by temperature. Sixth, in the air, the sunlight is scattered. Seventh, air absorbs the heat suitable for the living things. Eighth, air is useful medium for the transmission of sound. These are the some properties of air. In this chapter, we will learn these properties in detail. The first property is we cannot see but feel the air. Air is all around us. We cannot see it, yet we can feel the presence of air. When we inhale, air is taken in through the nose. If we blow on our hand through our lips, we can feel the air. Second property is air occupies space. Air is all around us. As the air enters the balloon from your lungs, the air takes up space in the balloon and the balloon expands so that air takes up space or it occupies space. Third property is air has mass and weight. When we tie two rubber balloons of the same size at the two ends of the stick, it remains horizontal. But when we remove balloon and inflate it and tie it again its original position, the stick goes down on the side of the inflated balloon. This means that air has weight. Air is a mixture of gases. Therefore, like all other matter, it has mass and weight. The next property is air exerts pressure. The molecules of the gases in the air are in constant motion. When these molecules strike a body, they create pressure on the body. This is the pressure of air. We call atmospheric pressure. On pulling the piston with the inlet hole of the syringe closed, more space becomes available to the air in the syringe and it becomes rarefied. As a result, the pressure of the air in the syringe is lowered. Comparatively, the pressure of the outside air is very high. That is why when we pulled out, piston is released. It is immediately pushed in. If this experiment is repeated, holding the syringe in different positions like vertical, horizontal or inclined, the piston is found to go in to the same extent in all the cases. From this, we can infer that atmospheric pressure is the same in all the directions. In 1726, the Swedish scientist Daniel Bernoulli put forth the important principle that the pressure of air decreases when its velocity increases, while the pressure of air increases when its velocity decreases. On blowing through the straw, the air at its open end is pushed away and hence the pressure of the air at the opening goes down. The water in the cup is pushed in the upward direction and the water comes out in the form of fountain. This straw fountain works on Bernoulli's principle. The next property is air is affected by temperature. Rise in temperature increases the pressure of air. Also, rise in temperature increases the capacity to hold the moisture. The next property is scattering of light. Air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke, and moisture. When rays of light fall on these minute particles, the particles spread the light in all the directions. This natural phenomenon is called scattering of light. The next property is temperature regulation. The constituents of air surrounding the earth, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, absorb a part of heat. As a result, the earth's surface remains warm and thereby becomes suitable for the living things on the earth. If there were no air on the earth, the average temperature of the earth's surface would have been very low. The next property is transmission of sound. Air is the useful as a medium for the transmission of sound. Sound will not be heard in space because there is no medium for the transmission of sound. Thank you for watching this video.